Hey, look, Nomads. Is that the sun that's out?
Who's what?
Is that the sun that's out?
No, it's...
Unloading the pack mule.
These are not the droids you're looking for.
big guy. No shirt on.
Well, man decision. We were gonna run the night hunt. The problem we have with doing that is there's a rain shower on the way. We gotta load up the camper. We gotta unload the four-wheeler, and I just don't think the timing's gonna be right. So,
Well, what is the theme for the week?
yeah,
Getting caught in the rain.
yep. Old Nomad's got stymied again. Would have been a good night to sit in the woods, but then if you shoot something and rain shower comes through, it's gonna wash out your blood trail. So we opted to turn and burn,
Play it safe.
shake and bake.
Gotta play it safe. Us nomads don't take the risk of not finding our game. We hunt to kill and find, not
Yep.
to lose. Gotta follow a form of ethics. That's our motto.
Well, we'll go home and we'll load her up. Look at that, I hit pause and I did not hit record. So hopefully I recorded all the other stuff about talking. Pretty sure I did.
I can hit pause when you start talking.
Yup, we are ethical hunters. We do not want to risk shooting game and then get caught in the rainstorm, and so we're just gonna turn and burn, shake and bake, French and fry. Okay, go shoot a big one.
I'll try.
Hit the big buck.
Huh? Yeah, you're ready.
Okay, I left mine right there and it's turned on, so holler out if you need something.
Alright.
They'll probably hear you if you yell.
Okay.
So just go down the bottom of that hill and veer to the right. You can't miss it. So we come up with a big harebrained idea out behind our
Oh, for the love of Pete, spit it out already.
out behind our buddy's house here that so gracious to let us park our campers at. We set up a stick ladder back there.
Not a stick ladder, a ladder stand.
So we sent JerBear out there for one last hunt, since he's got to score himself a deer. He's getting long in the tooth. Been putting a lot of hard time in. So the way he's gonna go, there's a depression that's back there, drops off into a ditch, and there's some buck rubs back there. Well, we're gonna hope that maybe a buck will come through right before dark. Good luck, buddy.